Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on VIVO V60E. Let's begin! As you can see, I have no idea how much battery I have, which is quite a shame, so let's fix that. First, let's go into the settings, then let's scroll down a little and enter battery. In here, you want to go into battery style and percentage. And now we have a couple of things. First of all, we have this our battery percentage, and we can check display outside battery. So now we have this nice option. And you can notice that I also have a circle. If you want more traditional look, you can always go into horizontal or vertical. However, with horizontal option, we have the ability to hide our battery number inside battery, which is pretty cool. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.